guys, I'm still seeing a lot of the white screen or blank screen issue on Canvas, and I wanted to hop on here and give you another workaround. So there is the option of resetting the cache so that the Canvas app will work for you correctly. However, what I'm noticing, at least on my iPad, and I'm hearing it from others, even after you reset the cache once or maybe twice, the issue is recurring. So I wanted to give you a fix that hopefully will be a long-term solution so that you may not have to deal with this white screen issue anymore. And that is just to bypass the Canvas app altogether and just access Canvas through the Safari app, so directly on the web browser. So I'm just going to open up my Safari app and I'm going to type in the URL for our Canvas. I'll put that on the screen for you. It is lebanon.instructure.com. And then you just log in with your normal credentials like you do on the app. Once you're logged in, you're there, you're ready to participate in your course as usual. And the hope is that once you're in a lesson, if that lesson has a video posted, that video will show up. If there's text posted by the teacher, those options will come up and you'll be able to have full access to everything. It does present sort of a new challenge in the way that you complete work, particularly if your teacher has uploaded a PDF. And so I'm going to link at the end of this video another video that tells you how to complete assignments if you're using the web browser for Canvas.